kitchen at the break of day, we tend to cook the lazy way. We flip the bread on open flame and play a risky, dangerous game.
The darkened char, the blackened crust turn healthy meals to toxic dust. A hidden thread inside the pan that brings a silent risk to man.
The smoking grill, we stop and stare with toxic vapors in the air. Be careful now and hear the cry before the sparks and embers die. The plate is full of hidden strife. Choose better ways for longer lives.
Young and old with hungry eyes, don't let the taste be your disguise. The juicy steak, that charred barbecue can bring a sickness straight to you.
The dripping fat upon the coal creates a smoke that takes its toll. The chemical rise, the silent sting, it's not a joke or trifling thing.
When science speaks and shines a light, we change our ways to make it right.
Don't bake it black, don't burn the toast. Protect the ones you love the most.
From backyards wild to kitchen floor, let's choose to eat safe evermore. The smoking grill, we stop and stare with toxic vapors in the air. Be careful now and hear the cry before the sparks and embers die. Protect your health, almighty dawn. With safer meals we carry on.